So today we are heading for the desert to do some cool desert stuff. It's a 1-hour drive and first activity is desert quad bikes. Well, that was extremely cool. Now we're heading for the camel ride. So our driver drove like crazy through the desert, but that was a part of the experience. And then we hit the camels. Yeah, that was nice, just riding along in the desert with the sunset in the background. Very cool. It's so unpredictable, like how the camel will sit or rise, but it was so fun trying and very beautiful and calm. Now we're gonna try sandboarding. Yep, so now we have sand everywhere and we're gonna end our evening with some off-road desert driving. Yeah, and in the desert just got to see like the beautiful clear night sky and the moon. Definitely a 10 out of 10 experience.